So it's been a couple weeks, we're talking like 2-3 weeks. I've used nothing but brand name WD-40 to spray these nuts here. And lots of them have come off, just loosened just fine, no struggle, just came right off. But some haven't, right, like that one. The other thing too is the, lack of a better term, the bus bar. And I'll show you what's going on here real quick. Should have had this ready to go, but it's not a perfect world. I'm not a good editor, obviously. So right, the construction shown makes a gas-tight and liquid-tight packing between the top of the container and the poles. The steel legs of the standard Edison Cell Connector shown at the top of the picture are exactly tapered to fit the tapered steel poles. When forced into position by the pole nuts, the contact is made perfect. Well, too perfect, because what are they called? The Edison Cell Connectors? Okay, I'll try to use that terminology from now on. We're talking these things. So the Edison Cell Connectors are on there really good, like super good. And this is not an Edison, or it might be, I don't know. It's just constructed differently. I think that was a main or different or substitution. That's just totally wasn't Edison quality because it's falling apart. So anyway, and on these over here, my A4H's, there's another one of those weird connectors that they're just falling apart. But anyway, hold on. I try to show this stuff in every video because I know some of you guys don't, or gals or people, you don't watch all the videos. You just picky choose, so you probably don't see all the videos. So try to put a lot of info in each video. Sometimes repetitive information. So this is what we're talking about. These are cinched on, and I think it's just a friction. Let me stop dancing that around. I think it's just a friction. See how it's smooth in there? I think that's just a friction fit. See, there's no threads. So, let me find a clear one right here. So it just slides on. This one's a little dirty or whatever, so it probably won't slide on just right. But it just slides on, and then these special Edison nuts, they sorry, I had that on. Was doing that backwards. Slides on like that, see? And the Edison nut will come around and cinch it down. See how that goes? I had that backwards. So, let me show you these Edison nuts right quick. You probably already seen them if you've been a fan, but it's good to get the documentation out. This is one of the better ones. So from the top they look normal. From the bottom you can see they've been cored out a bit. And it has some kind of magic to do with these terminals, these Edison connectors. I forgot what the proper terminology is. Edison Cell Connectors, these things, Edison Cell Connectors. So these nuts get on, they cinch down and they seal it all together. So anyway, that's my conundrum. So set that right there. What I got here, back in the archives, bought this from Big Five, probably back in 2005, for $9.99. It's called Break Free CLP. Cleaner, lubricant, preservative. Back then I was all military indoctrinated, and I saw a CLP. I'm like, oh, that's what the military uses. It must be great. Yeah. So anyway, trying to get that price on there, but it's not wanting to. It's not wanting to. LED light is not the best thing to shoot by the way. So here's some of the facts on there. I don't know if I can. I'd love to get the info, but I don't think LED light is that. I'm too impatient. I'm not letting the camera focus. Here, I'll read it to you. Clean, break-free CLP, clean, long-lasting, safe, easy to use. Well, there it goes. It's adjusted now. I'll read it anyway. Will not harm normal finishes. Tests on file indicate break-free CLP is not an irritant to normal eyes and skin. Thousands of uses. Guns, tackle, homes, boats, autos, bikes, industrial equipment. Cleans. Break-free CLP is a special cleansing action that breaks loose dirt and corrosion and damage metal. Even penetrates mechanism to displace, trap grit, and free sticky, rusted, or corroded mechanisms. That's what I have right now. Corroded, sticky mechanisms. Yeah. Look at that. Okay. Lubricates. Break-free CLP has superior lubricating qualities. Keeps parts and working smoother and easier. Secret formula contains multiple ingredients, including specially treated PTFE for improved boundary film strength that reduces friction, retards wear, and stops buildup of foreign matter. Preserves. Break-free CLP provides a long-lasting protective coating that shields all metals from rust and corrosion. Operating range -65 degrees Fahrenheit to positive 475 degrees Fahrenheit, or negative 53.9 Celsius to positive 246.12 Celsius. Number 1024 compressed gas, 13 October 1976. Certification for use as an article of storage on board vessels. This certification only covers hazard in the use of this product. The efficacy of this product is not passed upon. U.S. Coast Guard. So there's some other things there if you want to read it. Just pause the video. Oops. So I gotta shake well, and so it says leave it on there about 2 hours. We're probably gonna leave it there for a few weeks, so I don't have a lot of time. So let's get this on there and leave it, because I gotta go to work, and you know how that goes. I wonder if I can see the price tag now. Oh, the camera is focused. Nope. So who knows that this stuff is still made? I bought it a while ago. Hincho in USA. Alright. So I'm targeting the ones that haven't given up yet. This is a weird position to be in, I'll tell you. So it goes on a lot thicker than WD-40, that's for sure.